So I had a quick minute free time, and I went ahead and put this guy together. I put the 3S battery in there, the 10 amp ESC, and that coreless motor is a 4500 kV motor. Went ahead and used short shafts, drive shafts, because I wanted it to be able to, clear everything perfectly. And the other ones that I had, they were pretty much reaching all the way to the end with this wheelbase, and I didn't like that, so I went ahead and used the short ones. Just wanted to show the speed. Gearbox that I'm using is one of those Orlandoo gearboxes that's rated for 400 RPM. I'm gonna have to swap probably to the 1000 RPM one, because even though it's fast, I think I may need more speed. I mean, it's pretty quick, but I don't think it's as quick as I'd like it to be. So, obviously, it's not gonna work good here because it's just peeling out. But I'll get it on some sand tomorrow and see if it looks good. If it could throw some sand, then I guess I'll keep it like that. If not, I'll go to the 1000 RPM gearbox and see how that looks. I mean, it's pretty quick. Anyways, that's where we're at with this one. Sorry for the delay on the builds and everything. I've just been very busy, guys. I'll try to catch up.